Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this learning video, let's guess the Excel keyboard shortcuts for an action to perform in the MS spreadsheet. You have 30 questions and 10 seconds of time. Please subscribe to this channel. Which shortcut key is used to copy the selected cells or range? Control C. What is the shortcut key to paste the contents of the clipboard? Control V. Which shortcut key is used to save the current workbook? Control S. What is the shortcut key to open the Format Cells dialog box? Control 1. Which shortcut key is used to insert a new worksheet? Press Shift F11. What is the shortcut key to select the entire column? That is Control plus spacebar. Which shortcut key is used to delete that selected cell or range? Control plus delete. What is the shortcut key to insert the current date in a cell? Control semicolon. Which shortcut key is used to insert a new chart in Excel? F11. What is the shortcut key to toggle between absolute and relevant references? F4. Which shortcut key is used to apply the general number format to a cell? It is Control Shift plus tilde. What is the shortcut key to change the font in MS Excel? Control Shift plus F. Which shortcut key is used to open the Find and Replace dialog box? Control H. What is the shortcut key to select the entire worksheet? It's Control A. Which shortcut key is used to undo the last action in Excel? Control plus Z. What is the shortcut key to insert a hyperlink in a cell? Is Control plus K. Which shortcut key is used to open the Go to dialog box? Hit the Ctrl plus G. What is the shortcut key to select all cells in a worksheet? It is Ctrl A. Which shortcut key is used to auto-sum the selected cells? It is Alt plus equal sign. What is the shortcut key to apply the currency format to a cell? It is Ctrl Shift plus $sign. Which shortcut key is used to hide the selected rows or columns? It is Ctrl plus 9. What is the shortcut key to insert a new column in Excel? Ctrl Shift equal sign. Which shortcut key is used to spell check the selected text or document? Hit F7. What is the shortcut key to create a chart from the selected data? Press F11. Which shortcut key is used to apply the underline format to a cell? Ctrl plus U. What is the shortcut key to open the page setup dialog box? Hit Ctrl plus P. Which shortcut key is used to insert the current time in a cell? Ctrl Shift plus semicolon. Which shortcut key is used to edit a comment? Shift F2. Which shortcut key is used to apply the italic format to a cell? Use Ctrl plus I. What is the shortcut key to close the current workbook? Ctrl plus W. Well, that's it in this video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, comment, share and like the video.